How to trade candlestick patterns and price action. Today the price open right here with this right here below the resistance, and the price drop down with two big red candle, and from here the price was oscillating. The price goes up, and from here one green candle, two green candle, three green candle, four green candle below the resistance, enter input with the fair red candle, stop loss right here above. When the price goes down, one, two, three, four, five red candle, between four or six red candle, it is exit. When you see only one green candle, this means I obliged to abandon the position. Once you got four, hold on, one, two, three, four, five, six red candle. The best way to take profit it is between four and six red candle. Right here is the best time to take profit with probably with 100% in profit. If you wait for six red candle, it's fine because there is my strategy. When you see only one green candle, this means we must leave the position. Remember, one, two, three, four green candle in row followed with one red candle, it is entering put sort of above. Yeah. And this candle right here with a long weak rejection, this means the buyer took the control and in call stop loss right here. When you see this long weak rejection, this is a clear sign that the buyer already took the control of the position. Enter in call stop loss above right here with four green candle. I got an input thinking that the price was going down with four or six red candle. However, I got stopped out. It's fine to lose a small little bit money because always we must trade with stop loss. Okay? This trade it doesn't work. It work this trade. It work this trade. This trade doesn't work. It's fine. Sometimes work. Sometimes doesn't work. The best way is to maximize the profit and minimize the losses like right here. I got input stop loss right above the same candle. On this green candle, I got stop loss, but it's okay. It's okay always lose a little bit money. It's okay. One more time, little bit money, no a lot of money. Because always put your stop loss tight.